Hi everyone, Nikki here, bringing you this week's Frontier Tip of the Week. As a business owner, your main focus has been a vision, executing that vision, and then setting up the hundreds of things that support that vision. Many business owners openly admit that internet marketing is just not their thing. Becoming a marketing expert takes time, valuable time, that many business owners just don't have. So it never surprises me when I go to a networking event and many of the people I talk to really don't even know the basics of SEO marketing. They have heard the same thing over and over. That's important and businesses can't really get by without it these days. But the understanding of what, why, and how is just not there. So hopefully this video will be helpful. It will be very basic. So if you have any questions or want to learn more, please give us a call anytime. I am sending a shout out to all my networking friends who need a crash course on the SEO basics. So let's get started. So what is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It is the art of being able to match the information on your website and other digital channels with what people are searching online. So when we go into Google and type oil change near me, what shows up on the top half of the page? The businesses that have created relevant, up-to-date content that addresses the search phrase. There are 3 sections that show up on every search page. Ads are at the top, the map with the local results are in the middle, and the organic or truly ranking is last. There are different SEO methods to address all these sections. So for ads, there's Google AdWords. This is a service you have a monthly budget for and pay Google to show up at the top of the page when specific keywords are searched for. Different keywords cost different amounts. The more competitive the keyword, the more expensive the click. For local results on the map, there's local SEO. This is where geography counts. If someone is searching for a bank in McHenry, Google populates all the businesses closest to that search area. This is the low-hanging fruit for your business. Of course, you want local people going to your local business. So to achieve results for local SEO, you need to make sure your business information is uniform across all the different platforms across the internet. There are popular sites where our information is shown, such as our website, Facebook, Google, Yelp, or the Better Business Bureau. And then there are a ton of sites most people have never even heard of. These are the phone books of the internet. Many times our information can be incorrect on these sites or non-existent, which affects whether or not we show up in this area of the search. The last section, the organic results, are shown to be the most trusted results on Google. To achieve results in the organic results section takes a little more work. It is all about identifying top searched words for your business and then building your website and additional content around these keywords. There is what we call on-page SEO. These are all the things you can do with the pages on your website that helps Google recognize what your site is all about and then chooses to direct people to your site. So what is the key to long-term SEO success? Publishing valuable content. Come up with a list of common questions your customers have and create the content that answers those questions. These can be blogs, videos, infographics, or other online assets. You can then use online tools like Google Analytics or citation trackers to see how your efforts are working and where to spend more of your energy. Google's main focus right now is on the user experience. So as long as you're creating valuable content that answers your customers' questions, you are on the road to a bright SEO future. As I mentioned, this was a really basic crash course. We could talk about SEO for days. So if you have any further questions, please comment on this video or give us a call. We love to talk all things SEO. So until next time, this is Nikki from Frontier Marketing, bringing you this week's Frontier Tip of the Week.